So we're here to road test Fantech's new Response Radiance. We've come out to Yanni's pad to change over a standard old heat lamp system with the Fantech new and improved version. Firstly, what I'd say is the speed to install this and swap it over, I think we timed it at about 24 minutes, and that was start to finish, cleaned up the lot. So what it is a simple plug and play scenario, one plug base on the end of one cable in the ceiling, linked to an isolation switch, and then when we've got this wireless remote, battery operated, a lithium battery that'll last 7 years plus, and you have all the functions of a standard heat lamp setup. What really impresses me is that the biggest complaint we get as electrical contractors is that IXLs or heat lamps, the exhaust fan component is really poor. Exact opposite right here. Fantech are known for exhaust fans. That's what they do. Ventilation is their thing. And what we've got here is the heat, the light, and a really good exhaust fan ventilation system. So a big tick for me. Install, simple, quick. Wireless remote means that you can place this anywhere. You can stick it inside a shaving cabinet if you choose to. Overall, I love the sleek design, easy to install. By the time I finish this burp, 30 minutes and I'm out the door. Good for the customer, keeps the costs down, and overall, very happy with the product.